If you're not posting on Facebook Reels, you're missing out on tons of subscribers, followers, and more importantly, money on the table. So you're wanting to make money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, or just through your products or services, and you're looking for free traffic, right? Now, for the first time ever with Facebook Reels, you can grow your audience organically without spending hours on Facebook. What I want you to understand is how huge this is. There's a very successful YouTuber who made $10,000 in the month of February from Facebook Reels bonus program alone, and he said this: every single one of you should be creating 2 to 3 reels a day and repurposing them on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. He said if you're not, you're leaving millions of followers on the table and missing out on thousands of dollars. What would an extra $3, $4, $5, $10,000 do for your month? Would it allow you to stay home, take that vacation, pay the bills on time, buy a new car or house? Just imagine what this could do for you. Just in case you don't know what Facebook Reels are, it's Facebook's version of short form video. The video can be up to 30 seconds long and it's in vertical form. Reels are just on mobile, not desktop. So if you're on your mobile phone, just scroll down and you can see the Reels right here. Now here's the awesome part. Not only do they show up on your Facebook feed, but they're also searchable. What I want you to understand is that Reels are the only type of post you can use on Facebook that will be shown to people who aren't already following you yet. So if you don't have time to search Facebook groups and send out friend requests to connect with your perfect client, Facebook Reels is perfect for you because in just a minute a day, you can attract people to you who can turn into leads and customers. So your goal with your content is attracting new people to you who would be a great fit for your product or service, and you want to do one of 3 things with your videos: inspire, educate, or entertain. And the first thing you want to do is define your audience, or who would be your perfect customer. And you'll have 3 goals with your content. Number 1, to attract new friends and followers. Number 2, to nurture your current friends and followers. And number 3, to convert people into leads, sales, and signups for your business. Now here's some strategies and tips you can follow to have great success with Facebook Reels. And comment down below if you plan to start using Facebook Reels to grow your business on Facebook. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know how I am replacing my income as a physical therapist, which I have done for 33 years, click the first link in the description below this video and you can check it out if you'd like. To grab people's attention within the first 3 seconds, have some kind of movement, like being outside the camera screen and quickly stepping into it, or looking off to the side and turning your head. Of course, you can get really creative with this, but just incorporate some type of movement. Also, you can use jump cuts to keep people's attention because people have an attention span on average of 7 seconds. So you can film a few words in one place and then step to another place, or change your look for the next few words. Does this make sense to you? Basically, it just keeps people's attention well. Another tip is to have a hook and call to action in your description. Also in your description, you want to have hashtags about 3 things: your ideal viewer, about you, and about the content itself. And at the end of the video, you can have a call to action. You can either say it or have text. For example, drop the fire emoji down below for more information, or comment down below how. And then people will start to leave comments, and these are your potential customers that you can connect with. So the next thing you want to do is move from the comments to conversation. Here's an example. If you ask them to comment down below how, you would answer them in the comments. You say their name, sent you a message, let me know if you got it. And then they can answer you back in the comments, and that helps your engagement in your content reaching more people. And here's an example of what you would say in your first inbox message. Hey, whatever their name is, thank you so much for your comment on my reel about making money from home. So nice to meet you. I'd love to know, what do you currently do for a living? And this just opens it up for them to talk to you about themselves, and it works very well to establish instant rapport. I won't go into the exact script after that, but you really want to find out their problems and how you can help them. And if your product or service would help them solve their problem, then of course you would share some information with them. Now, since it's hard to edit in Facebook Reels, I would recommend creating the video on TikTok and editing in there, and then removing the watermark and posting on Facebook Reels. I have a friend who takes his TikTok videos, created a while back, and he posts them on Facebook Reels without the watermark, of course, and he's making around $700 to $1,000 a month with the bonus program, and that's where Facebook pays you to post your videos to monetize your Reels. So it's not like getting monetized on YouTube, because on Facebook you need 1,000 views in 30 days, and it's by invite only. I actually got an invite myself. And the app I use to remove the watermark is called Repost. You would go to your video on TikTok and click on the 3 dots, and then click on copy link, and then go back to the app and save it in your phone, and then go to Facebook Reels and upload the video without the watermark from your phone. Another huge tip is consistency over volume. What I mean by that is rather than post 5 videos in one day and then not for another 3 or 4 or 5 days, it's much better to just post 1 a day, but post every day. Your consistency helps the algorithm in pushing your videos out for more people to see. So I would recommend batch filming on the weekend, and then every day you can edit and post 1 video so that you can be consistent in posting every single day. So just in case you don't know how to upload a reel, you would just go to your mobile phone and click on the top where it says Reels, and then find your saved videos and click on Next, and then add your description and tags, and then click on Share Reel. What I want you to understand is if you stop consuming content and start creating content with Facebook Reels, that it can change your life. Facebook Reels is a tool that you can use to build a 6-figure business in the next 1 to 3 years online. I'm not kidding you. So take advantage of it right now. You'll be glad that you did. And speaking of changing your life and making money from home, if you like this video, I think you'll really like this video coming up. 7 ways to make $3,000 per month or more from home. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.